Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes BCD file being corrupted error in MBR or BIOS system. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. Type bootrec /fix boot. If any error, use bootsec /nt60 sys. Type bootrec /fix boot. Type bootrec /fix MBR. Follow the command and run one by one. Exit and continue. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.